down. Uh, Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're jumping into the world of the Masterverse. This is Masters of the Universe Revelations. This is the Netflix series, and here we have the character Andra. I have seen a few episodes here and there, but I do not follow the series. I thought her character personally was interesting, and I thought the fact that she came with cloth goods was interesting as well. The brains to Tila's brawn. Andra dreams of being a hero while her crestfallen partner tries to leave that life behind. Always has a technological trick up her sleeve, whether using her genius to create inventions or relying on her scrappiness and speed to evade evil. Because I always thought He-Man was set in biblical times. I'm more so used to this. So this is also He-Man from He-Man Revelations. This is the figure I reviewed a while ago. Because she's kind of giving me G.I. Joe. And she looks like she could also be in his lineup. So I'm going to open up Andra and we're going to do some reviews. We're going to also do some comparisons. And at the end, I'm going to have some cool photos. Is this figure worth $19.99? Well, let's find out by getting her out of this packaging. Alright, we are back and we have Miss Andra out of her packaging. I have to say I love this cloak. It's a nice thick cotton material and you can see they kind of cut edges at the bottom to give the illusion that, she's been running around and things like that. You can actually wrap these sides around her, and I tied mine in the back, or if you guys want, with yours you can have them hanging down. You could have it open. I really love when action figures come with cloth goods. Now, aside from her cloak, she does come with this shooting piece, interchangeable head, which is her when she has her mask on or when she's going through areas where she has to breathe certain fumes. And she also comes with other hands. She comes with fisted hands. And she also comes with resting hands. This is just with her palm sitting open. She is a little over 6 inches. You can see she has her, I think these are dreadlock or twist in her hair. She has on her uniform, which is green, gray, yellow, brown pants. It looks like she has on some boots, no heels or anything, because she's ready for combat. She has on her gauntlet and everything like that, and this is actually where we would attach her accessory piece. So let's see how that would look. It actually looks good. So if you guys wanted to have it flat like that, like she's trying to clear the room, or because her arm does bend down, we can turn it so now you can also have like a side blasting look. And looking her over, we can see that the paint detailing is good and everything like that. It's not sloppy or anything. This toy is actually presented by Mattel for anyone who's interested. So G.I. Joe, which I did compare her to earlier, they're actually presented by Hasbro. So this is Hasbro comparative to Mattel. And both of the figures give human-like features. Of course, I think the Duke figure definitely gives me more, human accuracy, but hers gives me a little bit more cartoony, but she's based on a cartoon. So I kind of guess that explains why she looks like that. But both of them, I think, could be in each other's worlds. Comparative to the He-Man figure that was released in this line as well. And you can see these two have more of the similar face because they have the more cartoony looking features. She has head articulation. She can look side to side. She can look this far up, this far down. She has shoulder articulation, bicep swivel, double bend in the elbow. She does have articulation at the wrist as well. Abdomen crunch. She also has a swivel. She has hip articulation. She can kick this far out, this far forward, and not back at all. She does have a thigh cut. She has the double bend in her knee. She also has the calf rotation, and she also has ankle hinge, which looks really nice. So overall, she's a really beautiful figure. And like I said, I really love that she comes with this cape. It kind of reminds me of this toy back in the day I think it was a Spider-Man and Mary Jane 2-pack. And I really loved it. I saved up my allowance and everything because I really wanted that 2-pack. And it was mostly because Mary Jane had on a cloth outfit. And that's all it was. Now, as an adult, I can see what it was. But as a child, I was just like, oh my God, I want it, I want it. So I saved up, I got it. And I think I gave that set to my niece, and now it's no more. She fits in well, like I said, with anyone's world. So this is Andra next to She-Ra, and this is She-Ra from Super 7. So you guys can kind of get a look at her and what she's delivering. She-Ra, I can help the team. Good, we can use your talents. Yes. And this is her comparative to Shadow Weaver. Shadow Weaver's arm keeps popping off, so that's Shadow Weaver. I'll have your soul. Girl, go get your arm right. You right? Skeletor. This is from the Mattel 5-inch line of the He-Man classic figures. And this is Skeletor. So you can kind of see she's taller than those 5-inch figures. I'll get you, my pretty. Go brush your teeth. So as you can see, she fits in very, very well. And since we did do some comparisons with the He-Man figures, let's look over some of the G.I. Joe classified figures. So here she is next to the Baroness figure. Now you guys can see, like, Baroness, like I said, they're presented by Hasbro. So you can see she has more of the human looking face. Not human, but it's just a little, it's like a touch more of detail than the face of these. And then here she is next to one of the soldiers from G.I. Joe Classified. Overall, what do I think of this figure? I do think she's cool. I do think this figure may go on a reduced price if she doesn't sell out. And it's not because she's deserving of, but I don't think everything she comes with really explains a $19.99 price point. I do give this figure an 8 out of 10. What would have made it a little bit more, I think, is if she came with a few more accessories to fight with. Because right now, all she comes with a cloak and she can, you know, shoot this out her arm. Now, maybe that's all she does on the show, but I think that would have been nice too. But overall, I think she's a cool figure. If you're a fan of the series, you're definitely going to like this. Miss Audra is back. And she's black. Yes! I'll see you guys next time. Bye!